Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create a personal training business website on Wix.com. So the first thing to do is to create your account on Wix.com. Next, you have to click on this blue button, create a new site. This will be directing you to Wix.com website. What kind of website are you creating? So you just have to answer those questions. Personal trainer, we said here. Next, what's the name of your business? Here, I'm just choosing random names, but they have the same radical. Let's choose features of your site. You can add videos, online programs, pricing plans. We have booking. We have online store, events, blogs, chats, forums, Instagram feeds, groups, portfolio, file share, and others. Next, you can start your website here by going back to the dashboard or by choosing an empty template and start editing your website, or by letting Wix create the website for you. So let's go to the dashboard and follow Wix's steps. The number of steps varies depending on the type of your website. Here we have 7 steps because it's like a blog page that have services and payments, need plans and others. So the minimum is four steps, and the maximum can reach 12 steps and can be more if you had something like if you had added all the apps found. So you can click on a job and fill here the name, the tagline, the description, the duration, the buffer, per session, per plan, or per session with plan. Here we have per plan. You can connect and edit plan. You can create plan package for online and click save to connect program in this price and save the plan and create program on your site. Able to connect this plan in the pricing section. So you can add it online or in person, something like this. Then you click save, and this is how you add a plan. Just make sure you fill up the right informations. So to upgrade, you will unlock some features like take online booking and services, accept secure payment online, and connect it to your own domain. These steps is very important because by connecting the website to your own domain, you will manage to let it be found on Google. And if your website is found easily on Google, you will make a lot of money. That's why I think you should upgrade. So the next step was to upgrade. Now we added the first service. We need to link to PayPal options. You can add your PayPal account or you can add manual payments. So next we have to design our website. Design website can be divided on two ways. First way here is to design a template and customize your design step by step. The other step is the easiest one, so you let Wix generate the website for you. Here we have, you just need to give them the logo, the name, the email address, the address of your company, the phone number, and links your social accounts. Click on next, choose a theme, check Spark, Classic, Inspire, Fuse, or Clean. Let's continue with the classic now. Preparing your homepage design. They will give you 3 homepage and you have to choose one of them. So while waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe. And now we have your homepage for personal trainer. You choose one of them. So let's choose one. I think this one is good. Click on next. So you can add some informations about you, some classes, codes, testimonials, frequently asked questions, tips and advice for beginners. Then click on next and your website will be ready. And that's it. You created a website in a few minutes. Now no, there is nothing hard in this creation. So the next part will be to publish the website after you done edit it and changing pictures, informations and other things, because you will need your own pictures. You are a trainer, right? You put some pictures, some contact informations. Just waiting for the website to load to show you where and how. So it's really easy. And after you don't put in the informations, so here you continue to the editor. Here we have your website. You can after you done publishing, adding apps, managing your business, adding elements, pages, you click on publish. By clicking on publish, your website is already published under this link. Here you can view your website, you can share it with your friends. Here next you will need to go back to the dashboard, and the last step is to get found on Google. And to get found on Google, next, so create a site. So you see tools, you need to create your website, but we already created. So if this appears, just refresh your pages and you can continue now. Here, start your CEO journey. By clicking on get started, you will have to answer some questions like the name of your brand or company. Next, we have where do you serve your customers, online or physical address. So let's say it's it's a nationwide, worldwide, or interaction. So which keyword you want to use? Something like this. Oh, I mean, something like this. And add till 5 parts. Click on next. And now you just have to complete this short list of steps. Wait for this the list to appear. Here we have 5 steps, but if we didn't count that you will need a domain and you will need to upgrade your account, there are just 3, because the last step is to connect it to Google, but to connect it to Google you will need to complete all those steps. So you will have only 3 steps here, and if you want to attract more customers and make real money, you will have to upgrade your subscriptions with Wix. That's all for this video. Your website is already published and it's working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.